With Enscape 3.0, we're introducing an entirely new user interface to allow for an even more streamlined Enscape experience. In this video, we want to provide you with an overview so you can continue working immediately. Let's have a look. With the new user interface, we've introduced a modern design, and we've moved the controls into the Enscape window as much as possible. This enables you to use Enscape in full screen without having to switch back and forth as much. Only the most necessary controls have stayed in the CAD, like the Start button, Asset Library, General Settings, and Feedback. In your Enscape window, you will now find a new toolbar that you can hide or display by clicking the arrow in the middle. This toolbar is separated into two halves. On the left side, you'll see everything related to your project and design sharing, the collaborative annotations and BIM mode, view management, the newly designed video editor and the other export buttons like Screenshot, Panorama, or Web, or EXE Standalone. To close the left-hand side tray, just press the Escape key on your keyboard or press the Home button in the upper left corner. On the right side, you're now able to change settings related to your visualization, enable the mini-map or the safe frame, change the perspective or toggle between walk or fly mode, enable VR, access the settings, or enable the newly extended Help window. Notice that this Help window is now context sensitive. See this second tab here? Whatever mode you are in on the left half, this tab will adjust to provide you with additional information. Okay, let's have a closer look at some of the menus now. We'll begin with the settings. There are three settings windows now: the general settings in your CAD software interface, the visual settings, and the renderer window settings. The general settings hold basic information like your license, performance, and language. The new renderer window settings provide customization and input controls. The visual settings window has received a major overhaul. Not only have the controls been redesigned, but the settings preset management is now much more comfortable. To access your settings presets, click this little arrow on the left. Look at this. You can now see all your presets in one place, and you can quickly cycle through them and see them applied in Enscape. But wait, there's more. Let's open our View Management. We now do this in Enscape by clicking this button or pressing the F key. Let's create a view. Now we can link a settings preset we've just created. And look at this. The setting is applied in Enscape when selecting the view. Imagine the presentations you can plan now. Last but not least, let's review the changes in the video editor. The hotkey to open the video editor now is V and no longer K as it used to be. To begin blocking out a camera path, you can still press K to place a keyframe, but you can also press the new plus buttons. Press the right one to add a keyframe at the end of your path, and left one to add a keyframe before the beginning of your path, or press the plus button anywhere in between the keyframes to place a keyframe there, at the position your camera is currently in. To delete your path, save, or load it, use this little menu here. To export the camera path as video file, use the Export button in the bottom right corner here. One more major feature about the new video editor is the ability to see keyed values on the timeline itself now, rather than just on the camera path like before. This allows for a better understanding throughout all stages of video planning. We hope you like the redesigned Enscape and that you're looking forward to sharing the results of your work. Visualizing tomorrow with Enscape 3.0.